When will you stop doing these unboxes, man? I know. They're kind of getting boring, are they? I'm really sorry, but I am out of ideas for the channel. Although I might have one idea that could be related to that. Oh, nope. That guy right there. I might do a video on that one. It's because I do want to take a break from unboxings, or at least try to. Yeah, like take a break from unboxings, as in try not to buy another engine for another while. I don't know how long I'll hold that, but no promises on that. So just to let you guys know. And I might have to have your help on this, so if you have any ideas on what I should do besides unboxings, please don't request an engine for a while, because I really want to try and lay off on buying a locomotive. So yeah, if you have any ideas besides a new locomotive, do let me know, and I will be sure to read it, and I will be sure to write it down too. Hopefully I'll write it down. I might have to get myself a small notebook, wouldn't I? Anyway, enough jibber jatter. Let's get this unboxed. I've been wanting this engine for so long, and I finally have it. It's probably one of the most famous steam engines in the world besides the Dreyfus Hudson. Let's get to it. Now, for some reason, he put it in, well, it's like 2 boxes. I don't think he had a bit of a bigger box, but it's okay. What works, I suppose. I have a feeling it's going to be hard to get it out. Alright, that'll be enough. I might do a time lapse, so be prepared for that. Alright. Okay. Okay, yep, there we go. There we go. Okay, yep, there it is. Yep. It is in here. Well then. And there it is, and I can just see it's right side up. Alright, that's good. It is wrapped in bubble wrap. Good. I mean, it is a bit overkill, but hey, you know, I think overkill, well, it is overkill in a good way, I suppose. Because you obviously want to protect the model, don't you? Because if you don't, things will start to happen during shipping, won't they? Oh, there we go. Tape the crust. There we go. Get rough with it. Rah! Probably shouldn't be too rough, especially with this. This one can cut me very easily. And I've been cut by it before, believe it or not. Except, not trying to do an unboxing, but a long time ago. A long time ago. It was by accident. I might tell you the story, if you want me to. My God. How many layers did he put on this thing? Oh my God. I thought I was never going to get it out. But there it is. Oh man. My hands are tired. God. That was some thick bubble wrap, wasn't it? I mean, it was packaged really good, don't get me wrong. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do to protect the model, but man, that was tough. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's get this model out. Alright, after a quick few second break, there it is. There's a model. Super detail, we'll see about that. It's the Flying Scotsman. Oh yeah. the Flying Scotsman itself, the beast itself, for that matter. This is probably maybe the most famous locomotive in the UK for sure, but probably the most famous locomotive in the world, along with Mallard and maybe the Dreyfus. Maybe. Is it upside down? Yes, it is. The model's upside down. Oh, I'm so glad I noticed that. Oh, ho, ho. Wow. Yep, that's it. Apparently it doesn't have any instructions, does it? No, it doesn't, so I'm pretty much screwed. Okay. No matter. Alright. Let's get this out. What's this? Detail bag? Yes, it is. It's a detail bag. What's in here? Okay. A spare coupling. Don't know what those are. Those might be... I don't want to say they're like little doors for the cab or foot plates. Oh no, there's a foot plate right there, sorry. Yeah, not sure what those are, but I'm sure someone will definitely let me know. Sorry if I offended you. I do apologize. Okay, let's do this. Get the tender out. Ooh, bit of a tight fit. It's got holes in the back, does it? Yes, it does. Whew, you're joking. The tender's got a bit of weight to it. Alright. Here's yeah. Pivots. Wow. Oh, this is a tender driven model. Oh, this is the Ringfield motor in here. So, excuse me. So, these are pretty easy to service. I probably would service this thing. So yeah. He did say it was brand new to it. You know, I don't think I see any wheel markings. Ooh. So this guy was telling the truth. Bit of dust there. He did have this out to take some pictures of the model. Let me get my tweezers. That's gonna bug me. Where are you? There you are. There we go. I got it out. All right. Put that there. I wanted a Flying Scotsman with TTS sound or like DCC sound, but I really didn't want to wait any longer. I really wanted a Flying Scotsman. I've always wanted a Flying Scotsman, and now I finally have one. Look at that. There she is. Yep, it's definitely tender driven. These wheels are freewheeling. No painted detail in the cab whatsoever. I guess this may have came out just before they started doing the really detailed cab thingamajiggies, although I could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong on that. I mean, they've been doing it for a long time, except back in the days they would put a bit of gold painting on in the cab, like they did with a seagull. Yeah. Looks really impressive. Yeah. Yeah, looks like I don't see any wheel marking or track markings, sorry. It looks pretty good. I may have to put some oil on it, but yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe one day I might upgrade to the TTS sound version of this engine. It looks stunning. It really does. Yeah. I'm liking it a lot. And I wanted the LNUR green version because obviously it's pretty much the most famous livery that this engine has, does it? I know it's in the British Railways green at the moment, the real Flying Scotsman, but this is just a very iconic livery for this engine. Alright. Let me clean up the mess, take the P2 off the tracks, and we'll get this engine running. Alright, mess cleaned up. Everything all set. I was kind of expecting this engine to be loco drive, but apparently it's not, but that's alright. Rolls nicely. Nice. Let's put the tender on. Move it back. Now that looks freaking awesome. Just look at that. That's freaking awesome. Alright, so I might have to leave this thing running in for a little bit, even if it's a ring fill motor inside here, but we'll have to see. Alright, or I might have to put some oil on it, 1 or 2, since it is brand new and this model is over a decade old. Yeah, alright, let's do this. Will you move? Yes, you will. Yo. That's freaking awesome. Is that accurate of a speed? Yes, I need to change the controllers, I know. Don't judge me, but yeah. It's going quite smoothly. For a brand new model that's over 10 years old, it's running very nicely. Oh, not the camera. I don't know if it's just me or it's running much faster now. Excuse me. It's running very fast. Wow. Pretty awesome. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna stop it right here and we'll see if it'll do a slow speed after warming up a little bit. Oh, looks like it already did it. Yeah. For a ring-filled motor, probably a much more modern design of a ring-filled motor, that is not bad. That is not bad at all. Oh, it stalled, didn't it? Yep, it did. Okay. I think it's running on dirty track a little bit. Hey, that's alright. It works. I was hoping it would be loco drive rather than tender drive, but it is what it is, you know. I'm not too fussed about that. It still works, even though I'm not a big fan of tender drive engines. But that's alright. So hopefully, maybe, I will make this thing pull coaches in a separate video. So I'm hoping I will do that if I can come up with a good enough idea. Ooh, sprung buffers, nice. Anyways, that's all I got for this video. Hopefully I'll slow down on unboxings for as long as I can, because that's something I've been planning to do for a while. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. And I welcome the Flying Scotsman in my collection.